Welcome to Domino English Lessons. Welcome back to Domino English Lessons, where we learn English through real conversations. In this lesson, two friends talk about their homes, the rooms they have, and the people they live with. Pay attention to the useful everyday English expressions. Now, let's watch My Home.
Hi Fazan, where do you live?
I live in a small apartment in the city. What about you?
I live in a house near the market.
Nice. How many rooms does your home have?
It has 4 rooms, a living room, 2 bedrooms, and a kitchen.
That's good. Do you have a balcony?
Yes, I do. The balcony is my favorite place. I drink tea there every evening.
It sounds relaxing. My apartment doesn't have a balcony, but it has a big living room.
That's great. Who do you live with?
I live with my brother. What about you?
I live with my parents. Our home is simple but very comfortable.
That's nice. Home is the best place to relax.
Yes, I agree.